Hit him, hit him, hit him.
I thought we were on the same team.
Not you, the zombies.
I killed him while I was not looking.
Alright, hit him. Hit him, Isis.
Hey, the far away! I'm trying to aim for the leg. Don't.
Not him, the zombies. Right there. Where? Is that the zombies? No.
There's a light? There's a rift somewhere around here. I see you. How you get that? It's that purple thing.
Right there. Get him, Isis. Would you? Down, down, down. Him, right there, right there, right there. Hit him.